How to create a sub page in Squarespace. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create a sub page in Squarespace. How do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Squarespace account, just like I have done here, and then navigate through to your website by clicking on website, which is located at the right at the left side of the screen. Once you click on websites, you'll be taken to um the your pages. Yes, pages. And then on pages, by the left side of the screen, you also see some list of options such as shop, etc. And then you'll see a plus icon next to main navigation. All right, just click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed, and then you'll see blank page, page layouts, scheduling, collections, etc. Our focus is on blank page. Just click on blank page like this. Once you click on it, you'll see the option uh for you to edit the page. All right, you can name it whatever you want to. In this tutorial, I'll be naming it business. Okay, and once that is done, double click on it, and then you'll be taken to the page where you can now start editing the page. Now, if you look at the top part of the menu of your website, you will see that the page has been added already. Yes, so that means that the sub page has been created already. So you can now go ahead and create a beautiful page by adding and combining section. So to do this, you click on the edit icon located by the top part of the page screen, and from here, once you're on the edit page, you'll be asked to add a section. Add the section, edit the page you want to, and then it will be locatable on your site. So this is how you can create a sub page in Squarespace. Thanks for watching.